Hey everybody! Hi, we're going to talk about the second law of motion. So the second law of motion has to do with how much force is put on an object and the mass of the object and the mass of the force. So take a look. I've got a cool track for a marble, right? Here's how I made it. I took two pieces of string. Okay, I started on one end. I made a little track that it has little edges to keep the marble from rolling off. Put some tape at the end of this stick. Okay, you can cut those ends off if you like, but it doesn't really matter. On the other end, same. So I got a little track that the marble is going to follow so it doesn't go off of that track. Then what we do is we put the track, so you want to see what the whole stretch looks like. And then I have a cup. I have this plastic cup right now because I don't have a styrofoam small one. But take a styrofoam small coffee cup if you have it, or any cup that would be lightweight. That would be plastic or paper. And you can cut out a little hole like this. You can see this was a red Solo cup. And I just cut off half of it, and then I put a little tunnel hole in there, right? And now I'm going to put that right here. I'm going to put that hole in line with this track so the marble will go into it. I have it right at the very edge of the stick, okay? And I have a marble. Now this is a very light marble. It doesn't have very much mass. It's light, it's plastic. I just don't have my other marbles with me today. So you should have 3 marbles if you can that are the same size. If you can, if you have 3 marbles, please get them the same size. They should have the same mass. And we are going to do a demonstration. Okay, we're going to see the force of this marble to the cup. Okay, I'll lift this up just a tad so you can see exactly where I'm at. I put a bowl here. You can use anything you want at a certain height. Just keep the same height. Always put the marble at the exact same spot where you're going to do it. You're going to do 3 tries on this. I'll show you exactly how this works. You slide it down, and it didn't work. It fell off. Sorry. We're going to do it again. Sometimes that happens. Again. There. It went into the cup, right? But it moved the cup because of the amount of mass. The amount of mass of the marble. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure the distance it moved. I'm going to measure the distance from here to the closest edge here. And I'm going to measure it, and I'm going to write it down on my lab sheet. Then I'm going to take the marble out, and I'm going to do it again. I'm going to do it 3 times with 1 marble. Okay? So I'm just going to give you an example for the sake of the video. And that one I have to redo because it didn't go in the same way. Again. There, moved again, right? So I'm going to measure again from this point to the closest point of the cup, and I'm going to write that down. Whether you use inches or you use metric in centimeters or millimeters, it doesn't matter. But either way, you keep measuring how far that marble has moved the cup, okay? And I'll show you the lab sheet in a second of how that works. So I'm going to take the marble out. Now, after 3 tries, and I record them, I'm going to have 2 marbles. Now, I don't have another marble with me, but you will understand that you would take 2 marbles together, okay? And you're going to put them up on the track at the same exact distance up here together. And you're going to let them loose at the same time. Pretend there's 2 of them. Oops, didn't work. This is going to happen to you too, folks. There. Now 2 marbles. And you're going to see if it changes how far this cup goes. Okay? This will be 2 marbles, and you're going to have 3 trials, and you're going to mark it on your lab sheet. Then you're going to do 3 marbles. Mark it on the lab sheet. 3 tries, through or trials with 3 marbles. Mark it on the lab sheet. Okay? You're going to do that. And I will show you that right now. I'm going to switch this over. So, I want to show you. I'll show you on the next video.